Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to another video from me, Mindy. Yep, it's been a long day of recording. You know how that goes. When I record a lot, I get goofy and silly. Anyhow, I have some things to show you here today from FGNORMAL, one of my favorite budget-friendly companies I've worked with the longest. Thank you, FGNORMAL, for letting me pick out some things to show my friends. Okay, I'll show you a toolkit. A tool kit. There we go. A tool kit. There we go. You ready? All right, here we go. So once again, let me explain that these come in multiple varieties. There were several with butterflies, a little saying, and flowers. This is the one I chose out of that collection, okay? It's a 30 by 30. It says life is beautiful. It's got some beautiful flowers surrounding this beautiful butterfly, and it has, I don't know how many, 7, 8, 9, 10 different drills, 3 specials, 1 through 7 are rhinestones. So let's check them out. I will link all of these items below, and it will probably take you to the listing for multiple paintings. You got to make sure you get the correct one. I have to always put in a little code just to make sure I get the exact one I want. So here we go. Rhinestones, clear, pink, green, purple, another pink, that is black, orange, and here are our specials. The round, clear, red, some green faceted marquees, and some gold balls. Beautiful. I loved all of these. All of the flower, butterfly ones. I loved every single one of them. It is hard to choose. It is hard to choose just one. It's hard to choose one. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. You were kind of a long ways away. I've been telling you, you guys, I've been telling you. We have the gnomes. The gnomes. Oh my gosh. There are so many new varieties of gnome paintings. Again, check out the collection. There's multiple styles. This one has 10 different drills, 30 by 30. Look at all the specials all the way around him, and then all the hat. Oh my gosh. How cute. Cute, right? So this is kind of getting a little Valentine-y vibe, isn't it? Kind of a little Valentine-y. So what do we have? Clear rhinestones. Well, that was right up there. Pink. That's like a golden yellow, very light. Another pink. Black again. Red rhinestones. Green rhinestones. Oh, and here's our specials. Clear hearts. Pink hearts. And pink flowers. How can you go wrong with that? Those are excellent special drills. Love the hearts. Love the flowers. Oh my, that will be fun. Okay. Number 2. On to number 3 we go. And again, there were more than one. Love these, you guys. I just love them. D is a special drill. C, A, B. Looks like A, B, C, and D are all special drills. 1 through 8 appear to be rhinestones. 12 different colors on this one. Okay, I really liked this one, how this one had all kinds of stuff in the background, right? This one just has the white, but still, I mean, super cute. Either way you slice it, super cute. These packages stick well, I'm going to tell you. Okay, let's start with a little bit of lime green, some clear, 1 pink. Are they the same pink? Nope, they're different. They're slightly different. A darker pink, purple, another pink, like a corally pink. Oh, we get some ABs in this one. Nice. Pink AB. Love it. The pink flowers, more hearts, pink hearts, green marquee, and some really pretty pink ovals. I love the ovals. I've been getting the ovals a little bit more lately. They're really nice. I like the ovals quite a bit. All right. Everything's kind of pink here today. And this is no exception. This is pink as well. All right. Hummingbird. I love this. It's like in an egg. And there were, again, multiple varieties. There are 8 different drills for this one. And it looks like 7, 8, and 9 are our special drills. See, the 7s make leaves. The 8s are the centers of these flowers, and 9 appear to be petals. Nice. It's a pink and purple kind of day. What can I say? All right. What do we have? We have a little bit of brown. 1 pink, 2 pinks. A gold color, green. Ooh, that one's pretty. It's like a really pale purple, really pretty. Here's our special drills. The green marquee, iridescent. Here's those flower centers, yellow, pearly. And then we have some white or clear iridescent marquees. I love all of these. I love them all. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you like, because I like all of them, okay? If you don't like them, what do you like? I don't know. Let me know. All right, what do we have? A box. Good things come in boxes. Oh my goodness. Yep, this is all on theme. Let me tell you what. Everything is on theme. It's a gnome. It's Easter. It's pinks again. I mean, not all pink, but this is definitely all geared towards Valentine's springy stuff, isn't it? What can I say? Get some baggies with that toolkit. They're fancy. All right, here is our base. It's got the double base. And this one is printed, all right? And I think it'll be okay with this because, I mean, I like them non-printed better, honestly, but it is what it is. There's our drills. So here she is. It's a she. She's got her braids. She's holding her tulip bouquet. Got a basket of Easter eggs. How cute, right? Adorable. Love it. I know the glare. The glare is real, folks. There. Ooh, perfect. Don't move. Don't move. We won't get the glare. Isn't that cute? Love her. Yeah. All right, let's look at our drills for her. And then I think that's all I have to say for today. This video went really quick. This one's got quite a few drills. We've got a hefty bag of drills here. Let's see what we get. Lots and lots of rhinestones. Oh, and there's our specials. Our specials are in baggies. Okay, what do we get? Clear, red, pinkish red. That's more pink. A brown, a gold, green, a light blue, a dark blue. Another golden color, peachy kind of, and darker. And then darker. And then, I don't know, darker, red, reddish brown. Those are gray. Oh, that's pretty. That's purple. Oh, those are so pretty. See how pretty those are? Oh my gosh. Green, pink, another purple, a light purple, and another variation of a yellowy gold color. All right, that's all the rhinestones. And then we have some special drills here. We get these pretty little orange faceted, iridescent. We get clear, iridescent, faceted. Oh, and I guess there's just 2 sizes. Yeah, those are the same. They're just a smaller and a larger version. All right. So that's what I have today from FGNORMAL. Like I said, let me know below what you liked. Let's just kind of, we'll lay them out here again. You can look at them one more time. We have the ornament that stands up. I have so many of these now. I'm getting a ton of like stand up ornament type things. The hummingbird and the egg. Here comes the gnome parade, right? Gnomes and gnomes. And then just beautiful flowers over there. We got the beautiful flowers, which you can't see at all. There, how's that? So that's what I have from FGNORMAL. See, everything's all pinks and purples, isn't it? Yeah, it's a good day. If you know me, it's a good day. When you get pinks and purples, it's a good day. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Check out the next video that will pop up at the end of this one. If you watch to the end, there's always a video there for you to watch. Check it out and see if it's something you need to see. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And, hit that like button and subscribe and all those good things that you do for your YouTube friends, because we really appreciate it. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. Have a great day. And go check out FGNORMAL. Look at the beautiful stuff they have. See you later, everybody.